Hey everyone, I'm trying to fix something on my Morris Minor. Someone was kind enough to smash one of my headlamps, and as you see, it's totally smashed. So I've got a new headlight, and I'll put that on. I'll see how we go. Oh, the screw's coming. Yeah, so I have to be careful because all the glass. There we go. I'll get that. Oh, let's change hands. Will that come out? I think it's yeah. Oh, there we go. This should. Oh, I've got to watch myself here. Should come off. Hold on. Right, so basically, I've got that off now, and gonna do that screw. That screw. What I've got to be careful of is all the glass. So what I'll do down here, okay, what I've got down here, that's the headlight wrapped up, which I've got to undo. I'll move the box down there so that way you can catch any glass. And let's get back to undoing that. Is that it? Oh, no, near enough. There we go. So got that screw. Put it down. Okay, let's get this off. Oh, bit hard doing it one hand, to be honest. Oh, sorry, my fingers. Oh, got to be careful here. As you can see, it's got the glass. So I've got to be very careful because it's dangerous. So I don't want to cut myself and end up getting hurt. Oh, oh. Oh. Bit of glass fell on me. But look at that chunk down here. There's another chunk down there. I'll just bring the box up here. So another screw. Oh, sorry, there's another screw. Missed another screw. Oh. It's coming away now. Just wary of glass, to be honest. Oh. Finger in the glass. Oh. We'll get that screw out. Okay, now. Oh dear me. Oh well, I've got it out, glass in the box, and now I've just got to disconnect. Now I've cleared all the glass away and it's all in there. I've got me new headlight. Well, it's not exactly new. It's a second-hand one. So this will just fit back in here, which I'll do now. What's interesting is you've got these little grooves here on the side that stick out, and they fit in there, grooves there. So you can't get it wrong, you're lying. So I'll put that in there. Okay, let's do this. Tighten it up. Joys of filming one hand. And also I was trying to be careful because of the glass, and I didn't seriously want to have an accident with that. Okay, so that's on. So we got this left. Can I get it on? Hold on, bear with me. Well, I managed to get it. It was tricky, that last bit, but I've done it. I've changed the headlight. There's the old one, and there's this on the engine bay. Probably get a new battery for it, but anyway. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I've done a lot of filming one-handed. I know I had to be careful because of the glass, because I didn't want to get hurt. Okay, thanks. Subscribe and like. Bye.